What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I'm going to do a review on this Healthy Delights Naturals Power Beets. I'll be right back. Alright guys, before I review this product, I do have a little disclaimer. So my review of this product is not a recommendation for you to go out and use it. It's just me sharing my personal experiences. My recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural and healthy as you possibly can. But if you decide to take supplements, make sure that you consult with your doctor and make sure that you follow all the directions on the label. And that's my disclaimer. Alright, so this Healthy Delights Naturals Power Beets here. This is what it looks like when it's mixed up. And so what was I looking for when I found this? So I was looking for a beet powder product for my personal use, but also to give to you as a review. So what attracted me to this one? Well, it has power and beets in the same name. And so, I mean, the price was pretty good. I paid about $15.18 at Walmart. But I do have a link in the description where you can buy Power Beets on Amazon or any other beet powder. You can use the same link and buy it on Amazon. So it's in the description. So let me go ahead and show you. And I have a video of me mixing this together. But this is what it looks like after it's mixed. But check out the video there of me. So you take 4 ounces of water and 1 scoop is all that it calls for. And you just put it in the cup and shake it up. And it takes a little bit. I mean, mixing is not too bad, but there you see it right there. So what are the 3 best qualities that I experienced about this product? So probably the best quality is it tastes really good. So I do like the way it tastes. Number 2 is that it works from my experience. Like as soon as I drink it, I feel like, after it's in your system, of course, I feel like it does support a healthy natural energy boost. So I definitely like that. It does say on here that it supports improved natural energy. It boosts stamina, which I have felt like I've seen that in the gym where it boosts stamina. Let me see if I can get it in there. But then also that it supports healthy blood pressure levels. So I think that's pretty important too, right? And so the third thing is that I do like that it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free, and it is 100% vegan. So I don't always look for all those things, but when you have it in a supplement, just some added benefits that it's probably a little bit cleaner. All right, so what are 3 downsides to this that I found? Well, so one downside is that it had this particular thing in the ingredients, the other ingredients. So I'm not going to try to pronounce it, but I'll have it right here across the screen so you can see. So this word right here, basically what it means is it's a part of the stevia plant. So that I don't know why they decided just to put this term instead of just stevia, but it's part of the stevia plant. I looked it up, so I felt like it was okay to go ahead and get it and try it. So that's a downside, is that could have thrown me off. I'm like, what is this? I had to actually sit there and Google to figure out what that was. But hey, learn something new when I'm doing that. Another thing is it's really red, right? So what I've noticed is it can stain if it gets on something. I actually had on a white shirt and a white hat to do this video, and then I realized, oh yeah, I'm doing a Power Beets review, so I changed into this blue. Because I didn't want to take the risk of spilling this. So how do I rate this product? Oh, actually, how did it impact my workout? So I felt more stamina. So I did feel like I could go just a little bit better, a little bit harder, a little bit longer in the gym. And so definitely felt like that this helped me with that. So how do I rate this product on a scale of 1 to 10? I give this product a 9, right? So it's pretty good. I mean, I give it a 9. So that's really good for me. I do want to tell you though, if you want to know a little bit more about, I should have mentioned this earlier, if you want to know more about beets and how, I did do a video. The last video I posted was 3 muscle building benefits of beets. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, I'll make sure that pops up here so you can see it. But definitely some good information there. So how can you use this product? The way you can use this product is you can just drink it by yourself like this. And I'm telling you, don't have to, I was expecting to have to mix it with something, but it's really good. You don't have to do that. I mean, it tastes really good. Drink it by itself. You can drink it like in between meals. You can also add it to smoothies, or if you want to add it to juice, you can do that. I have done that before just because I use other greens and things like that. And you can use it as a non-caffeinated or non-stimulant pre-workout if you want to do that, right? If you want to just wean yourself off of caffeine, or if you need a pick-me-up in the day. And again, my personal experience is that it did help me with that, with energy boost. But you might have a whole different experience depending on what's going on with you. Okay, so that's my experience with using Power Beets. I like this product. Hopefully this video helped you. You want to follow me on social media? Check me out on social media. Instagram is a good way to do that, at thisisb_Rob. That's my Instagram page. If you follow me, let me know you're from the channel, and I'll probably end up following you back. If you want more information on my coaching, go to my website, thisisbrob.com. Also, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.